you some tips and tricks as your spring cleaning gets underway too. One of the most common areas, perhaps, your kitchen.
I know my wife and I are like, we got to empty out all the cabinets and we got to reorganize them. I've heard this like 3 weeks.
In a row.
This whole month. Yeah, in a row. So we need to do this. Cleaning and organizing, it just doesn't mean your shelves and refrigerator either. Karina Heinrich explains how to spring clean your diet as well.
Happy spring! Spring is the ultimate time to spring clean not just our homes, but also our diets and kitchens to help support a healthier lifestyle, especially after a winter filled with heavier foods, takeout boxes, and being indoors more. The great news is there's absolutely no reason you have to invest in an expensive or overwhelming cleanse this spring, but I have 4 easy tips to help you spring clean your health so you can feel your very best. So tip number 1, reduce the meat. Swap out our usual meat heavy meals with meatless foods. Think things like quinoa black bean burgers, lentil tacos, meatless meatballs, black bean dips for your upcoming barbecues. The ideas are endless, but you won't even miss the meat, but you've just given your body a major health boost. Reducing meat intake and replacing it with more veggies can help reduce BMI, elevate mood, reduce illness risks, improve heart health, and strengthen our immune systems. Yes, please. Tip number 2, fall in love with your local produce. If you've never been to a farmer's market, now is the perfect time. The weather's nicer, it's outdoors, and the produce is fresher than store-bought. It's locally produced and can actually save you money. And the veggies may actually contain more nutrients and antioxidants than store-bought, which is a major plus to our immune system. And some of my favorite spring options that I love are cherries, apricots, avocados, kiwis, mangoes, oranges, strawberries, arugula, asparagus, spinach, so many more. Go to the farmer's market and choose what your favorite is for your family. Just get out there and try it out. Tip number 3, leave your car in the garage. Get outside as much as possible. It's time to dust off these running shoes from the winter and walk your errands. This is a fantastic way to get your steps in, clear your mental space with fresh air, and it's amazing cardio for your heart health. The less you use your car, the better it is for the environment as well. Ride your bike, do a bike share, think about carpooling, use public transportation. Just try to use less of that for the environment and move your body more. Tip number 4, reduce kitchen waste. An easy way to cleanse your health is to start in your own kitchen. We are using too many of those takeout boxes and plastic and napkins. It's time to use glass, reusable for your lunches, for leftovers. Instead of all those Ziplocs, you can use these reusable ones that are great, especially if you have a big family that's constantly using them. Use the silverware instead of plastic. So just do your part in reducing that waste. So 4 easy tips you can add to your day-to-day this spring that will make a huge difference for your health, wellness, the environment, and your budget. So choose one or choose all 4. Just start today. Happy spring.
I'll start today. I'm going to get my shoes on and go for a walk. There's no doubt about that. Good tips there.